My name is Marika Mashburn.
I'm Dennis Grimes.
We bought this place in August of 2022.
Where they had done some type of work for insulation would have been in the mid-80s to early 90s. It was massively energy inefficient. There was a lot of masonry work that needed to be done, and it was a pure radiator system and then window air conditioning units. So that first summer we were here, even into the fall, we were seeing like electric bills in the $250 to $280, and then throughout the winter the gas bills were exceptionally high. We had like $280 to like $325 gas bills at certain points in time, and the house was still freezing.
We couldn't even really keep anything in the pantry because it would freeze. It was cold. It was very cold back there.
Primarily sealing up the heat envelope was a big part of things, including the back third of the house on the main level is all closed cell foam insulation. Additionally, putting in some new windows that are low E but like high energy efficiency, and doors as well. And then on the second floor in the rafter space, we've got 5 3/4 inches of closed cell foam insulation that goes around that house. And that kind of like took care of that, inclusive of windows at the front and back of the house that again are more energy efficient and actually sealed in so that the heat envelope is more closed. The biggest improvement was adding in the heat pump and the 3 inverter cartridges, and as well provide us with a more energy efficient system. And we've basically converted ourselves almost entirely electric. We still have natural gas for hot water, but likely we'll pivot off of that in the next 3 to 5 years. It's an electric oven, microwave, induction cooktop, heat pumps. The electric bill has gone up relative, but like when you factor things in between, we're at a net savings. And once the rest of the insulation is completed, we also have a roof project. That will really kind of like help close up the envelope, and I expect that in the long term we'll see a pretty substantial energy savings over that period of time. But I think in general, one of the best parts about it is that it's just stable, because gas bills can fluctuate so much. Like planning your budgeting can be a little tricky, but it's very easy with us. Like our electric bills all live within a very narrow range, so it's just more helpful in terms of like planning that budgeting.
It's just being comfortable in our own bodies, and that's really as a whole. This is our forever home. This is something that we've literally worked our whole lives toward, for energy efficiency and how we want to move through the world, but also our bodies growing with this house has been really important to us.